Hello guys, EpicMan Games here, and we are doing some programming. I'm using a program called Dev C++. It is very helpful. And we are going to be using this to create our program. So we're going to start with a console application. And let's say, who knows, like, how calculator 1.2. I've done some experiments already. So with Dev C++, what it gives us is this neat little pre-setup thing. And what you don't actually need any of this stuff here. Will still run, and when you run it, main, just save that, let it compile, and there we go. See, it still runs. Alrighty, but so let's begin. So first we want to say cout calculator 1.2, and what that will do is that will type out calculator 1.2. Oh, sorry. And the dash n means that it starts a new line. So see, calculator 1.2. Alrighty, and then we are going to make a function called void run, no parameters, and we're just going to do that. So in here we write run. There we go. So that's it. Enter into run, and to test that we are just going to say hi. Compile. So yep, see, calculator 1.2. Hi. Press any key to continue. Alrighty, so let us type it. Let's get this started. So let's say type in number 1. So the first number is going to be, and then we want to have integer a, integer b, and character f. And so let's say c in, and then we need to do in a, so that will get in integer a, which you type in, and then c out function, the function, and then c in f, and then c out number 2, c in b. And so then we have all of those, and let's send it to run 2. Let's create run 2. Run void run 2. No, we want, so here we say integer 1, comma, integer 2, comma, character 3, close those parentheses, enter that. So we're going to run it with A, comma, B, comma, F. So then here we will say 1 C out 1 F, no, 1 3 2, no, hold on, well, there's a much more complicated way we can do this, but there's gotta be, here, we'll start with the more complicated way. So A, D, A, comma, B, comma, F, and then here let's change this to AD, integer 1, 2, 3, nope, we don't need 3, nor do we need F, but this is a complicated way. If F, need this, is equal to a plus sign, then I want that to happen. And then C out 1 plus 2. And that, let's see if that will work. No, we need void add. Alrighty, so I did a little bit of fixing up. I messed up quite a bit. But so we have our add. So let's start out main. With every program begins with the main. So at first it will print out calculator 1.2 new line, run, so then it goes up to run. It declares these 3 integers, those 2 integers and this 1 character, and it says C out number 1, and then whatever you type in will be set as integer A, and then function, whatever you type in will be set as the character, and and then number 2, which will be set as integer B. And then if the function is equal to plus, there's a lot more efficient way to do this. I will show you guys later. But if it's equal to plus, then it will run add, which is up here, and this basically just prints out A plus B. But so what we can do later is just insert F in here too, and say A F B, and yeah, magic will happen. But let me show you what we have so far. So calculator 1.2, number 1, let's do 5. Function, we can only do plus. If we do minus, number 2 will come up and then it will just end. So we have to actually put in plus and write numbers, otherwise it will kill it all. But we can add in secure ways around that. So let's do 5 plus, nope, sorry, messed up there. 5 plus 19.37, 24. So it rounded it sort of, which is, it got rid of the 37. But so this works, and let's just make it for all the functions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's all we're going to do for now. And then we're going to grab this guy and copy him 4 times. 2, 3. There we go. And we're going to add minus times and divide, and then we gotta change these to sub mole and div, and then same over here, sub mole div, and then here we just change this guy to minus, this guy to times, this guy to divide. And if we want, because x is also used for times, we can have a x there, but I'm gonna just keep with this because this is for me. So now if we, oh, what did I mess up here? Declaration. Oh, div. Yeah. What's wrong with it? Let's see. Hold on just a second. Let me solve this. Okay, so it just didn't like the name div. Maybe that's a preset for something, so I just added en for some reason. But so now we can do anything, so 5 plus 19. No. Wait. What just happened? I said 5 plus 19 equals 24. Five plus 19. Yeah. So that's a little weird. But so let's make this into loop. So we don't want it to quit every time we do it, so we want to be able to call it, and then after this I want to have this. Then after each one of these it will call it, but let's test this quickly now, assuming all goes to plan. Yep, everything did. So let's maximize this into the corner of the screen. Nope, let's get it in the middle. Alrighty, so we have 1, let's do 5 plus 32, 37, and then it goes back to the main, which we might want to switch so that it doesn't say calculator 1.2, and then we can do 2 minus 19 negative 17, and then 19 times 42, 798, and then just to test the division, 19 divided by 93 to what? Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Gotta change that guy to N There we go. So let's do 19 divided by 32, 0, because it rounds, doesn't print out the decimal. But so now it loops back, but we don't want it to say calculator every time. So let's change this guy to run. Run, 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 run. So this is going to be wrapping it up. What? Oh. For some reason a dash got there. What? What now? Run is a function. Yes, it is. Void in function. Run undeclared. Oh yeah, sorry. And the reason why I added integer main up here, that was weird. Void run. The reason why I have to add integer main and void run is because it reads, so it will read these two things, and then here, those is important, but then it will read, if you didn't have these, it would read void add nothing of interest until it gets down to main, when it calls up to run, and then it goes back up and starts reading again until it gets to run, then it goes through here, and then it gets called up to here, up to one of these, and then once it gets through these, it's reading down, but then it gets called to run, which it hasn't gotten to yet, so you need to call it up here to let it know that it exists, so that it can continue going down until it gets to run. And so that should work now. So now if we do 5 plus 15, we get 20, and then see, it doesn't say calculator 1.2, it just says 1. I think that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.